A little girl was watching her mother preparing a fish for dinner. Her mother cut the head and tail off the fish, and then placed it into a baking pan. The little girl asked her mother why she cut the head and tail off the fish. Her mother thought for a while and then said, "I have always done in that way, that's how your grandma did it." The girl was not satisfied with the answer. So she went to visit her grandma to find out why she cut the head and tail off the fish before baking it. Grandma thought for a while and replied, "I don't know, my mother always did in that way." So the little girl and the grandma went to visit great-grandma, who have luckily survived so long. The girl told the whole story to her. Great-grandma laughed for a while and said, "Because my baking pan was too small to fit in the whole fish. So I cut the head and tail off the fish." In life, you see, sometimes we make this exact mistake in our lives. We do things in a certain way not because they're the best way, but because that's just how it's always been done. We don't even think twice about it. We often follow things without questioning. Life is not about copying others' paths, but about creating your own. So, never stop questioning. Always remember that.